A large percentage of us humans dream for abundance of money, nice luxury cars, yachts, private jets, luxury houses, etc., without asking ourselves who really are the greatest treasures in life. If you stay with us until the end of the video, you will be introduced to 12 real-life treasures. Any of us people live unhappy lives because of the longing for these things that I listed for you a little while ago. It would be enough to spend a few tens of minutes a day and be thankful for the things he currently has to realize how truly rich he is. Do it. It will change your life. And now, as I told you before, I will list the 12 life treasures. Number 1. A positive mindset is the starting point of all wealth, be it material or immaterial wealth. It attracts the wealth of a true friend and the wealth that man finds in hope in view of future achievement. As Napoleon Hill said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Number 2. Good physical health. It begins with health consciousness, which is created by a mind that thinks positively, not about illness. Dietary moderation and commitment to physical activity are required. As Arnold Schwarzenegger said, exercise gives us an outlet for pent-up energies created by stress and thus tones the spirit just as exercise conditions the body. Number 3. Harmony in human relations. When establishing harmonious relations with others, a person should start from his own personality. As Shakespeare said, obeying this rule brings enormous benefits. To thine own self be true, and it must follow as the night the day. Thou canst not then be false to any man. Number 5. Hope in achieving achievements. Man is happiest when he hopes to fulfill a wish that he has not yet fulfilled. The person who cannot look into the future with the hope that he will become the person he would like to be, or with the conviction that he will achieve the goal that he failed to achieve before, is so poor that it cannot be explained in words. Number 6. The ability of faith. Faith is the tool that connects the conscious mind and the infinite universe. It represents fertile soil in the garden of the human mind from which all life's riches can sprout. It is an eternal elixir that infuses creative power and stimulates thought. Faith is the foundation of all so-called miracles, and of many mysteries that cannot be explained by the laws of logic or science. It is a spiritual chemistry that, combined with prayer, instantly brings a person into connection with God. Faith is a power that transforms the ordinary energy of thoughts into their spiritual equivalent. Number 7. Willingness to share the blessings with others. Those who have not learned to share do not know the right path to happiness, because it arises only from the deep feelings of satisfaction when we share with others what we have. All riches can be multiplied and made even more beautiful if they are distributed simply and directed so that they can serve others. The space a man occupies in the hearts of others is determined precisely by the way he serves them by sharing his riches. Wealth that will not be shared, be it material or immaterial, withers and dies like plucked roses. One of the most important laws of nature implies the inactivity and disuse of water until decay and death, and it does not apply equally to material things and to the living cells of every physical body. Number 8. Love to work. No one is happier than the one who finds pleasure in the process of the work itself, and who dedicates himself to doing it right. Work is the highest form of expression of human desire. It represents the tool that connects the search and satisfaction of all human needs, the basis of human progress, and the means by which the imagination takes wings. All people who enjoy working are dedicated, because they radiate the joy of self-expression. Number 9. Mind open to all topics. Tolerance, which belongs to the higher properties of culture, is expressed only by that person who keeps his mind open to all topics all the time. Only an open-minded person can truly be educated and ready to receive life's great riches. Number 10. Self-discipline. A person who does not master self-discipline will never become master of his earthly destiny. The highest form of self-discipline is reflected in the humility of heart of the man who has acquired great wealth, or who has suddenly achieved what the common man calls success. Number 11. The ability to understand people. Those who are rich in the understanding of men are always aware that, in essence, all men are similar in origin, that all human activities are inspired by one or several basic life motives, of which there are 10 in number, and that the emotion of love, the desire for sex, the desire for material gain, the desire for self-preservation, the desire for freedom of body and spirit, the desire for self-expression, the desire for perpetuation of life after death, the emotion of rage, and the emotion of fear. People who want to understand what motivates others must first understand what motivates themselves. The ability to understand others eliminates the most common causes of conflicts between people. Understanding is the foundation of any friendship. It is the basis for overall harmony and cooperation. In a word, understanding is essential in all kinds of leadership in which friendly cooperation is necessary. Number 12. Economic security. Last but not least of the 12 treasures is economic security. The economic situation cannot be obtained only by acquiring money. It is achieved according to the way a person serves, because useful service can be transformed into all forms of satisfying human needs, with or without money. Henry Ford had economic security, not because he controlled piles of money, but because he provided gainful employment for millions of men and women, and, at the same time, the first safe automobiles for even more people. This is exactly how economic security is achieved. I'm taking this moment to thank you all for watching this video. If there's anything you don't understand, feel free to comment below. I would be thrilled to be able to give you 100 more videos like this to help you progress through life, so subscribe.